Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. Today let's discuss really interesting questions on liberty. In the context of polity, which one of the following would you accept as the most appropriate definition of liberty? A. Protection against the tyranny of political rulers. B. Absence of restraint. C. Opportunity to do whatever one likes. D. Opportunity to develop oneself fully. Answer is option D. Option A and B entail negative conception of liberty and have minimalist overtone. Option C is related to anarchy and lawlessness. Option D provides for positive conception of liberty that our constitution provides for. Provision of reservation, protection of minority rights etc. provide for creating an enabling atmosphere where individual can develop themselves fully. Which one of the following reflects the most appropriate relationship between law and liberty? A. If there are more laws, there is less liberty. B. If there are no laws, there is no liberty. C. If there is liberty, laws have to be made by the people. D. If laws are changed too often, liberty is in danger. Option B is an appropriate choice because it was a statement made by John Locke. He, in Second Treatise of Civil Government, wrote, "Where there is no law, there is no freedom." In 1689, he also wrote that the end of law is not to abolish or restrain, but to preserve and enlarge freedom. No law would give license or unregulated liberty. Therefore, B is correct. But then such statements are not to be considered objective realities. If there are no laws, there can be either complete liberty, because nothing restricts the actions of citizens, or no liberty because then lawlessness can heavily curtail liberty. It really depends. It is an extreme statement to say that when there are no laws, there is no liberty, or can we say there is no liberty in a jungle? There can be liberty despite the absence of laws. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.